Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 Bast 3D printer. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Meet the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, a next-gen high-speed Core XY 3D printer built for fast, precise, and beginner-friendly printing with fully automatic setup. At just around $239, this printer delivers premium high-speed performance usually found in much more expensive models, making it a strong value pick for hobbyists and creators. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second speed. Fully automatic bed leveling for easy setup. 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder for versatile filament support. Core XY all-metal frame for stability and accuracy. 3-second detachable nozzle for quick maintenance. Compact build volume, 220 by 220 by 220 mm. Designed for smooth, beginner-friendly operation. High precision even at high-speed printing. Pros. Extremely fast printing speed, great for productivity. Easy setup with auto-leveling. Solid metal Core XY structure for stability. Beginner-friendly but powerful performance. Affordable price for high-end specs. Cons. Build volume is standard, not large. High-speed printing may need tuning for best detail. Not ideal for ultra-professional industrial use. Number 4. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. Introducing the Creality K2 SE 3D printer, a high-speed multicolor-ready Core XY printer designed for fast, precise, and next-level 3D printing performance. Priced around $299, the K2 SE brings premium features like multicolor printing support and 500 mm per second speed, making it a strong value for makers and prosumers. Ultra-fast printing up to 500 mm per second speed. Supports multicolor printing with CFS system. Fully automatic bed leveling for hassle-free setup. Direct drive extruder for flexible and high-quality filament printing. Solid metal Core XY frame for stability at high speed. Quick swap nozzle system for easy maintenance. Build volume, 220 by 215 by 245 mm. Optimized for smooth, detailed, and consistent prints. Pros. Very fast printing. Great for productivity. Multicolor printing support, big upgrade feature. Stable metal build, reduces vibration. Easy setup with auto leveling. Good balance of price and advanced features. Cons. Slightly heavier than compact printers. Multicolor system may increase setup complexity. Not the largest build volume in its class. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 Plus 3D printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 Plus, a high-speed Core XZ 3D printer built for faster, smoother, and more stable printing with upgraded Ender performance. Priced around $378, this printer delivers flagship-level 600 mm per second speed and large format printing, making it a powerful upgrade for serious makers. Ultra-fast printing up to 600 mm per second speed. Large build size, 11.8 by 11.8 by 13.0 inches. Auto bed leveling for quick and easy setup. Advanced Core XZ motion system for better speed plus stability. Direct drive extruder for flexible and precise filament control. Tri-metal nozzle for durability and high-temp performance. Strong metal frame design for reduced vibration. Smooth and consistent high-detail printing even at speed. Pros. Extremely fast printing speed, great productivity boost. Large build volume for bigger projects. Strong and stable metal construction. Auto leveling makes it beginner-friendly. Improved nozzle durability and extrusion quality. Cons. Higher price than basic Ender models. High-speed printing may need fine-tuning for perfect detail. Slight learning curve for advanced features. Number 2. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D printer. Introducing the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a fast, beginner-friendly 3D printer upgrade designed for smooth, reliable, everyday printing. At just around $219, it's one of the most affordable high-speed Ender printers, offering strong performance for hobbyists on a budget. Print speed up to 250 mm per second. CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling for easy setup. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder for flexible filament support. Dual Z-axis system for better stability and precision. Auto filament loading for convenience. Supports PLA, PTG, and TPU 95A. Compact build size, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Improved Ender design for more stable printing. Pros. Very budget-friendly price. Easy setup with auto leveling. Good material compatibility, including TPU. Stable prints thanks to dual Z-axis. Great entry-level upgrade printer. Cons. Smaller build volume compared to larger models. Slower than newer 500, 600 mm/s printers. Not ideal for heavy professional workloads. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 SE 3D Printer. Meet the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, a fast, beginner-friendly 3D printer built for smooth, reliable, and easy desktop printing. Now priced around $186, it's one of the best budget high-speed 3D printers, giving you premium features at an entry-level cost. High-speed printing up to 250 mm per second. CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling for easy first-time setup. Sprite Direct Drive Extruder for flexible and strong filament support. Dual Z-axis system for better stability and accuracy. Auto filament loading system for convenience. Compact build size, 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Durable aluminum frame design for long-term use. Supports smooth printing with PLA, PTG, TPU. Pros. Very affordable price, $186. Easy setup with auto leveling. Stable and consistent printing quality. Good material compatibility, including TPU. Great for beginners and home users. Cons. Smaller build volume. Not as fast as premium 500, 600 mm/s printers. Limited for advanced/pro-level production. If you want a powerful budget 3D printer, check the link in the description for today's best price. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more 3D printer reviews and comparisons.